Assalamu alaikum, good morning from the capital city of Uzbekistan, Tashkent, and look where I am. Most popular Pilaf place in the country. Yes, it's called Besh Qozon. I was very looking forward to this, even though I've been saying I'm gonna eat the horse meat. You know, I'm a bit like that at the moment. Am I gonna eat the horse meat or not? But definitely gonna try the Pilaf here. So let's go. They say it opens at 9:30 till 11:30, and we are gonna look at the live Pilaf making. Oh, look at these. They are the rotiyan being made. The naan, yeah. How does that go in? Oh! This is how they're done. And then let's see. Ooh, that's how they're going to go in. इस तरफ भी लगे हुए हैं, तंदूर है. This is how it starts. Look at all the meat here. You have to tie the whole meat together with the fat so it doesn't fall apart while being cooked. There's the sabziyan, all potatoes and carrots being fried. एंड कढ़ाई देखे एक कढ़ाई में 40 किलो तक पुलाव बनता है. ये चावल दम किए हुए. जैसे ही आप अंदर आते हैं पहले यू विल सी इट बीइंग प्रिपेयर्ड. Oh, there's the Zinda and all the stuff. All the steps how it's been made. Oh, there's the fat. ये सारे chips काट के रखे हुए. All the chips. It's for the chips. The oil garam ho raha for the chips, onions kaate hue. Oh, there's some more rice. Look at how big it is. Look at the size. Kitni कढ़ाइयों में बन रहा है at the same time. I like this, all the sabziyan and the fat. ये बस दम के लिए तैयार. This is how it's been packed. Oh, that's the horse meat. That is the horse meat. And you have to watch my video to see what I think about the horse meat, eating the horse meat in Palov. So stay tuned, guys. Loads of people here for ordering. That is the horse meat and that is the beef. So, After seeing the whole experience of the Pilaf being made, let's go and order some. So that's why probably it's not as busy, and it will get busy as the day passes. That's where we pay for takeouts, but we will be eating in. So let's see how we can order. Everybody gone and took a table. They sat there and we'll just order some plates. There it is, guys. The almighty Pilaf. That's the horse meat. That's the quail egg. That's a normal egg. And the beef. Look at Ubaid, sit pakad ke bag aage. No, don't even look at the horse meat. Look at it.
That food is contaminated with horse meat now.
Check the frame. So here is the Palov from Besh Qozon, guys. It typically got some rice, chickpeas. They got gajre in it, the meat, the coal, the horse meat. I don't know how I'm gonna think about the horse meat though. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There's the first thing. It's really nice. And I got some raita with it. Your raita goes so well with rice. It tastes better with it. Reminds me of Pakistan. Yeah, the Palov, it probably is very fattening, because as I saw it being made, how much fat was going in. But you know, kabhi kabhi ek aad dafa khane se kuch nahi hoga. Bana, should I do the horse meat?
What is the other meat?
This is beef. Only this is the horse.
Nah, then don't eat it. There's no point in eating that.
Are you sure? 10 out of 10. How do you feel about it?
It's nice, yeah.
Is it better than the ones we've tasted before?
I don't know.
ये वो है ना Turkish salad में भी जो होता है, grape leaf with minced meat and चावल. इनका warm है, Turkey वालों का ना cold होता है. It's nice. What do you think about it?
It's fine, but I don't know why they put so much hard stuff in it. It's meant to be like, I don't know, it's just weird.
Hard क्या है इसमें? सारा कुछ soft है. चावल ना नहीं, they are like kishmish, raisins.
Yeah, I don't know why you'd put something sweet into something that's meant to be like...
It's traditionally been put in Paris. It's a traditional food.
Do they do that in with some too? Carrots.
You can do, I don't know.
That's how I fancy it.
So guys, this was the experience of the Pilaf in Tashkent. At last, one of my wishes have come true. Bana, how much do you give to the Pilaf?
I give it a 6.7, 6.5.
Faris just didn't like the kishmish in there. The kishmish. Because why was sweet stuff
It would
in
have been
there?
a 10 if it wasn't so oily.
Oh, Pakistan, yes.
Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more from Uzbekistan.